Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a new feature in Wondershare Filmora version 14 that just was recently released, and it's called Smart Short Clips. So what this does, it creates little shorts or small videos from an existing one that is long. So I'm just going to show you an example. I'm just going to drag and drop the video here. So this is a pretty long video and it's in landscape. And it's one I just did recently. So it's got here the language where you want to change the video. So I'm going to select English UK. So that's the language that the video recording is using. Now the duration, so I'm going to pick 30 to 60 seconds. The theme is an educational video because it's a how-to video. Now you've got different templates at the bottom here. So you can choose the one that you want to use. So I'm just going to pick this one here. So I'm just going to choose educational. Then you click on generate. So let's see what this does. So it uses 6 AI points per minute based on the video you select. So depending on which plan you're on, it will use up your AI credits. So just make sure you've got enough AI credits to use it. So let me click on generate. It will take a little while. So it's going to go through, detect what language you're using. You'll generate little snippets of the video. It will translate the speech into text. And I'll show you the final results. So it says, please confirm the video language as this will affect the quality of your final video. So I'm going to select UK, confirm. And it's going to go through and generate the video. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes to generate these short clips, and what it does is it provides you different options. So it gives you 3 options. So this is the first option that it generated, second one here, and the last one here. On the side here, it gives you an actual score. So what you generally do is pick the highest one here, and then what you can do is you can edit. And this will give you a timeline of where the video and the clips and the segments are. So I'm just going to quickly show you how that looks like. And here it is. So if I play this short clip, let's see, it's actually longer than the 60 seconds. So it will not be converted into a short. I did select 30 to 60, so I'm not sure why it did that. Maybe it was trying to fit the clip. Maybe, yeah, I was trying to maybe fit all the different sections of the clip. And let's see how it looks. Let me pick a section here and I'll press play. And press play here. I want to increase. You see here at the bottom, there's the increase it to the maximum, which is be able to listen 20 gigs. My voice. Here we go. You increase it to the maximum. All you need to do is just upload this video, and hopefully you'll get more likes and more. Put in VG display, and the VG size. One thing that I did notice is your I couldn't work it out. You're not able to change. So once you've logged in, text. You've got to do virtual machine. So once you've logged in, so for example, it's a spelling mistake here. Just say SDA. I'm not too sure how to change this word. If anyone knows how to do that, please let me know. Put in a comment, put it in the description, or put it in the comments below, and I'll have a look, and then hopefully I'll create an updated video. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.